Hi, today I would like to show you how to work the knit front and back increase. This increase is formed in an existing stitch and it produces a little horizontal bar at the bottom of the increased stitch. To work the increase, insert your right hand needle into the first stitch on your left hand needle, knitwise, and knit it. Without slipping it off the needle. Now go to the back of the same stitch and knit it through the back loop. And here it is, the knit front and back increase. One more time. Go into the front of the next stitch on your left hand needle, knitwise, knit it without slipping it off the needle. Now go to the back of the same stitch and knit it through the back loop.